If you've ever struggled to search for a specific word or phrase in a PDF, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make any PDF document searchable using Adobe Acrobat, unlocking the ability to find information quickly and efficiently whenever you need it. Whether you're dealing with scanned paperwork, homework assignments, or an entire book, you'll be empowered to transform your PDFs. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you want to make sure you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer. Go ahead and open Adobe Acrobat. It's the program with the familiar red icon. Once it's open, you'll see the main dashboard, which is your starting point for working with documents. Now, to get going, click the Open button. This brings up a file browser window, where you'll navigate to the PDF file you want to make searchable. It's important to select the correct document. Maybe it's an old scan of notes, a report, or even an image-heavy contract. Select your file and click Open again to bring it into the Acrobat workspace. With your document open, you're ready for the key part of this process, adding searchable text. You'll find most of Acrobat's advanced features under the Tools menu, often at the top or side of the window. Take a moment to get familiar with it. There are plenty of options. But for today, you're looking for Recognize Text. This tool is the magic behind converting flat images or scanned text into something you can search for. Sort of like turning a photograph of a page into a digital book where every word can be found. Once you select Recognize Text, you'll be prompted to choose your output style. This is where PDF output style, searchable image comes in. What does this do? Great question. It's the best of both worlds. It keeps the original look of your document, the fonts, the layouts, any handwritten notes, while layering actual searchable text underneath. Think of it as adding an invisible sheet where all the words are marked out for easy searching without changing how the file looks. After you've selected searchable image, go ahead and press OK. Acrobat will now do its thing. It scans the document, analyzes all the letters, and essentially creates a digital index behind the scenes. Depending on the length and clarity of your PDF, this may take a few moments, especially if you've got dozens of pages or complex visuals. If you find the process takes a little longer, don't worry. Just let Acrobat work its way through. It's ensuring that every detail becomes searchable. And that's it. Once it's done, your PDF is now searchable. Try it out by pressing Ctrl+F or Command+F, depending on your operating system, and type in a keyword. You should see Acrobat jump to every instance of that word in the document, saving you tons of time and effort. This is especially helpful for students sifting through textbooks, professionals scanning legal documents, or just organizing personal archives. If this tutorial helped you make your PDF searchable, give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help if you run into any snags or want deeper tips for working with Acrobat. And if you want more straightforward tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy searching.